The Inventory List module is a feature of CalCMENU Web that empowers you to export your merchandise data into a ready-to-use Excel format for inventory management. This flexibility means you can access and encode the inventory quantities of each merchandise, right from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This Excel report becomes an essential tool for you. It allows you to monitor available stock quantities, generate a purchase order, and even track items falling below par stock levels for timely replenishment of goods. However, please note that there is currently no feature to import this data back into CalCMENU Web. If you are already logged in CalCMENU Web, just type inventory after calcmenuweb.com and press enter. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Please note, access to this module is reserved for users with administrator rights. Signing in will lead you to this page, where it allows you to export your merchandise into an Excel list. You can select the site for which you can export merchandise. Then you can select to export merchandise based on a category or a keyword. If you have multiple set of prices, you can also select the set of prices. Finally, you can also select the language if you have multiple languages. By clicking on Export, you will receive an Excel file similar to this. In this sample, you can see the type of merchandise, number, supplier, product code, cost per quantity and unit, and total. You can also view the inventory summary found on the next sheet. Should you require data beyond what is offered in the sample reports, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@calcmenu.com. We can create a customized report tailored to your specific needs.